Hello, Lakshmi.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you, Lakshmi, today?
I'm fine, sir. What about you?
Okay, I'm good also. So, Lakshmi, today will be your HR interview.
Okay, sir.
Okay, are you prepared with your interview?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can we begin?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So, Lakshmi, tell me something that which is not mentioned in your resume.
Okay, sir. Sir, as you know, I'm Lakshmi Yadav, and basically I'm from Uttar Pradesh, sir. And about my qualification, sir, I'm pursuing my graduation from KKBA College, and 12th standard I have completed from CMCS College. And my schooling was done from Sahas Blossom English Medium School. Coming to my technical skills, sir, I'm quite good in C, CVP, Java, and Python. And coming to my experiences, sir, I'm having 2 years of experience as a private tutor. I'm a teacher, and I teach to a student of class first to six. That's all about me, sir. Thank you.
Okay, Lakshmi, just you said now that you are quite good at C language, CPP, Java, and Python also.
Yes,
So,
sir.
can you tell me why would you learn so many languages? If you know one language, then you should stop learning other language. You can work on that language only.
Sir, as we're learning different languages and different languages solve the problems in different ways. So if I have learned Python and I'm also learning Java, that means that I'm getting knowledge of Java also and Python also.
Yeah, that's good. But you can do the same thing
Python,
in Java also. You can do the same thing in Python also. So why to learn both the language?
so Python, learning Python language is better for a developer. That means it is easy to learn, and
But
I
then why
really
would you learn
believe in
Java?
learning.
Then why would you learn Java if Python is
Sir, having the knowledge of technology, that is not bad, that is good. And as the day by day technology is developing rapidly, so we should have the knowledge of each and everything.
okay? Okay, that's good. So Lakshmi, just tell me, what are your strengths and weaknesses?
Sir, my strength is learning, and I'm having a leadership quality, and I strongly believe in learning from others' mistake and take experiences from them.
Okay, then what
And
are your weaknesses?
is yes, sir. My weakness is that I means without having any type of. I strongly believe. I believe very quickly on anyone.
Okay, so you believe to anyone. Okay, so just tell
Yeah.
me, you said you have a good team leader quality. Can you give me a real time example that you have this quality?
Yes, sir. I said you that I'm a teacher, and at a time I teach 20 of students, and that is the one of the quality that I teach the student, and it is the leadership quality only, I think.
Okay, that's good,
Yes.
Lakshmi. So Lakshmi, just tell me, what is the biggest mistake you have done in your life?
So the biggest mistake I have done in my life, that was coming to science, because I was really not interested to be. But when I go to this field, I strongly believe that I should, if I have done something or if I've entered in something, then I should give my best. And as I'm giving my best, and today I'm standing in front of
That
this.
means you have come into the computer science field. That was a mistake.
No, sir, not computer science. I said science.
Okay, science.
Passing 10th standard, I go to the science field.
Okay, okay. So just tell me, what are your biggest achievement?
Sir, I believe that my biggest achievement is overcoming for my fear of failure, and which gives me complete sense of living, and I'm feeling so confident because of that.
Okay, that's good. So just tell me, if you are not selected in our company, then what will be your next step?
Sir, life is all about trying, and I'm trying my best. If I will be not get selected in this, then as I have done only hard work for this, next time I will do more hard work, means hard to achieve this, to achieve my goal. And I hope that I will get selected.
Okay,
But let
that's good thing about any human being. So you can try, always try harder. Okay.
yes, sir.
So Lakshmi, just uh, tell me in one sentence that why should we hire you?
Sir, as I'm a fresher, I'm having only theoretical knowledge. I'm not having the practical knowledge. And I think that no one is having experience from their born. And if you hire me, I'll get the professional experience through this company. So,
You have not make it correctly. Just focus on my questions. Why should I hire you? I can hire other person also at the same time. They have also the same knowledge that you have. So why should I hire you, not them? Just tell me this.
yes, sir. Sir, I think you should hire me qualities because I'm having the quality of leadership, and I'm also situation adapter because I can adapt any situation, and I'm very positive towards my work. I do my work very perfectly, I think.
Okay, that's good, Lakshmi. So Lakshmi, that's enough for today. So this was the last question. So you have any question regarding anything? You can ask me now.
No, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so Lakshmi, you can leave now. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, sir.